And I'm happy to be celebrating with you the 238th anniversary of Sikh Flag Day, Nisan Sahib, and of the Sikh New Year. The Sikh flag, known as Nisan Sahib, represents the Sikh concept of universal brotherhood and their commitment to social justice.
On my way down, I received a text from a high school friend of mine who now lives in the country of Jordan. His name is Sean McNally. In fact, he and I previously served in the State House together. And he told me of his experience when he was traveling through India several years ago and the wonderful welcome that he received from the Sikh people. They treated him like family, which is what everything, if you pay attention, you will learn about the Sikhs, the acceptance of everyone.
In Connecticut and around the world, Sikh flag is hoisted outside every Sikh place of worship and symbolizes that everyone is welcome to join in prayers and will be given food and shelter.
Flag days are important to celebrate as we look at the flag with pride in our country. I display a Sikh flag in my office along with the American flag and the City of the Norwich flag. In Learned Religion website, they stated the Sikh flag was described the following way. Nisan Sahib dates back to 1606 when the sixth Guru Har Gobind raised the first Sikh flag over the Akal Takht seat of authority in Amritsar, India. At that time, Sikhs called the flag Nisan Sahib, which means the exalted ensign, and it is representative of the values of the Sikh faith: one God, equality of all humans, love and respect of life, and life of service. In 1771, Panda Singh raised a second flag at the top of the Gurudwara Amritsar Sahib of the Golden Temple complex in Amritsar, where two illustrious Nisan Sahibs still fly proudly. The flag itself is an extension of the Sikh values that where it is placed, there anyone will find shelter, food, and a safe space for all, a history to be proud of.
Sikh flag can also be seen as a welcoming sign by the community. The flag is present at all Sikh rallies, events, and charitable works, and symbolizes Sikh commitment to serving humanity and treating everyone equally.
It represents our commitment for the communities we live in and makes a statement that this place or event belongs to everyone with no discrimination based on their age, color, sex, caste, creed, or orientation.
The flag has been in existence since the 17th century and also makes the statement that Sikhs will stand tall against any oppression.
And whereas on March 11, 1783, the Sikh army under the leadership of the Sikh general Bakhel Singh, along with Hassa Singh Ahluwalia and Hassa Singh Ramagarhia, conquered the Red Fort, New Delhi, and hoisted Nisan Sahib on that day. March 11, 2021 marks the 238th anniversary. And whereas freedom of religion, speech, and expression is embedded in the United States Constitution, and we stand in solidarity with Sikh Americans' efforts to bring to the light the historical events of Sikh history.
We feel proud of the Sikh community's effort to educate towns and cities across our state about the Sikh way of life and their history and historical days. I am glad to see that several cities such as Bridgeport, Norwich, and Hamden have recognized March 11th as Sikh Flag Day in Connecticut. And last year, Governor Lamont also recognized March 14th as Sikh New Year.
Now therefore I, Mayor Peter Albert Nystrom, and Norwich City Council President Pro Tem Mark Betancourt, on behalf of the Norwich City Council and the citizens of the City of Norwich, do hereby proudly acknowledge March 11th, 2021 as Sikh Flag Day in the City of Norwich.